What's up, guys? It's hardcore crypto. It's hardcore stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Intel Corporations. It's been a while since I last made a video on Intel Corporation, and given the situation of things right here, things are going according to my prediction, such as just as you are seeing, because I made it known to us from my previous video when we were this high right here at $140, roughly 140. I made it known to that I think we were around here. Then I made it known to that we've gotten rejected from here, and we are probably going to see a move to the downside, which is definitely what we are getting. But just that this time around, things are not going perfectly as I analyzed, but we are still trading below this major support right here at or should I say below this major support. So this resistance that was acting as previous support for Intel, which is roughly $106. We haven't been able to break out of this resistance. So this right here is enough reason for us to most likely be bearish right now on Intel. And also some people might say, okay, what if this is most likely a breakout? I don't think this should be considered a breakout, but rather if we want to talk about breakout, we should look at breakout from the monthly time frame right here, because obviously you could see from the monthly time frame, Intel Corporation has already been doing very well. So if we want to talk about a major level for Intel Corporation to drop to, then I can say we could consider Intel Corporation dropping all the way down to $64.78. I think this would have to be the worst case scenario right here, where Intel Corporation will be dropping to. So right now, you could see from the monthly, Intel Corporation has rallied massively from this low all the way to where it currently is at roughly 600%, which is good. So, right now we've made a correction of roughly how many percent to the downside? A correction of roughly 33%. Not bad. And, I still do think that there is a possibility for Intel to, correct a little bit. We've retested this level. We've gotten rejected from this major resistance right here. So sorry about that. Given the situation of things right here, you could see all the way from this high at roughly 140, we have gotten rejected from this level also at 105. So we could end up dropping all the way down to $65.33, finding support around here, maybe consolidating within this range, breaking out and rallying much higher. This is definitely looking mostly realistic to me. And I would say worst case scenario is obviously seeing Intel breaking this major support at $64, because once we break below this level right here, we are most likely going to probably drop all the way down to $50, which is probably not looking bad to me. Or could drop low to $44. It is most likely going to be a buying opportunity for me if I see Intel around these levels right here. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind right here in terms of the whole news right here. Based on the article I could lay my hands on, Wedbush issues stark warning for Intel stock as GPU prices surge. We could see Intel is facing higher graphics card prices as memory costs feed into the pricing of its Arc Pro B70 workstation GPU, according to a Wednesday analyst note from Wedbush Securities. The B20 has become more expensive across several markets over the past month. Wedbush analyst Matt Bryson cited a 30% increase in the US, with the ASRock Creator version rising to roughly $1,300 from $99.99, while prices climbed 26% in Germany and 46% in South Korea, which is crazy, guys. And Bryson said the prices changes point to memory cost increases being passed through the customers. The B20 includes 32 gigabytes of GDDR6 ECC memory, which may make it suitable for AI inference workload. In South Korea, the card's price increased from about 1.89 million won on July 21 to nearly $2.8 million won in 2.8 million won in August 16. Intel's own listed price has since reached about 2.82 million won. The pricing trend could have mixed implications for Intel. Higher GPU prices may support revenue per unit, but rising memory expenses could also pressure demand and margins if cost remains elevated. This right here is definitely, one reason why, AI memory chips also from, memory chips from China could end up, getting into the market than this US product, because US products, they might be good, but in terms of cost, that is definitely where they might have issue, if their competitors or their competitions are definitely at affordable price, especially when these products are offering something better or close or the same as what most of these US products are offering, or claiming to have, or whatever feature they are giving to people, or whatever benefits it's attached to their product. So I think this is just basically it right here, but I'll say a little bit of correction is still to be expected on Intel. But if you want to accumulate Intel now, you can start accumulating, but I won't advise you to go all in. Just have enough dry powders around. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.